Hello everyone, today we're checking out the audio accessory low profile boom arm. This product was sent to me for review, but as always, I'll be giving you my honest experience. So inside the box, here's your 3/8 2/4 adapter. Here's your desk clamp. Here's your bottom mic boom arm. Here's your top mic boom arm. They also included a 3/8 to 5/8 adapter. So in the boom arm, they also included a 6 total snap-in style cable management clips. The arm feels premium. It's a thick 40mm aluminum with a gear lock structure. No springs here. Instead, it uses gear locking system that holds position without sagging. Mounting this to my desk was super simple. The clamp fits my 1.5 inches thick table. There's no tools needed to install it. I just twist the knob and it locks in tight. I positioned it all the way to the left side of my monitor so the arm swings in low without blocking my screen. So for the installation, it only took me less than 5 minutes. Next up, I will be attaching the Fifine AM8 using the included 3/8 to 5/8 adapter. The arm held the mic without losing tension even after adjusting angles multiple times. I twisted the gear lock knob to set the mic angle and it stayed exactly where I wanted it. The boom arm comes with a 6 snap-in cable clips built right into the frame. You'll see these little slots running along the underside of the arm. These are super handy. The clips feel snug enough to hold the cable without pinching it, and they keep everything tucked away so it's not dangling across my desk or getting caught in gear. Cable tucked into the built-in slots. It looks clean and professional look. So what I like about it is the stability. There's no sagging, even with my main mic, the VIVOSUN and Rode NT. I like that it slides neatly under my monitor if I'm not using it, so it's out of the way. I like that it's tool-free adjustments. Just twist and lock, so there's no Allen wrenches needed. I also like the snapped-in clips that keeps my desk clutter-free. And lastly, there's no distracting noises during repositioning. One thing I don't like about it is the limited articulation at extreme angles. The upper arm doesn't rotate as freely and it can only make 90-degree angles upward, which limits me from positioning the mic sometimes. So overall, to me, this is a keeper. This will definitely stay in my desk as my main mic boom arm, and it gives me more space in my desk. If you're looking for a boom arm that's sturdy, sleek and built for heavier mics, this audio accessory low-profile boom arm delivers. It's not perfect, but for the price, it's not far in comparison to other premium low-profile boom arm. That's it for this video. If you want to check this out, I will leave a link in the description below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one.